The ClassroomGo iPad student version now supports interactive treasure box, offering a variety of real-time interactive features. By simply updating to the latest version of the app, students can experience this brand new interactive feature. In addition to the original handwriting mode, teachers can now engage students through vote, question sets, and snap-in homework, making classroom interaction more dynamic and versatile. Teachers can capture not only web pages but also PDF files or any screen content on their device. In voting activities, students can vote on agree/disagree or choose from 4 options. Students can also enlarge or download teacher-distributed images by tapping the button next to it. In question set mode, teachers can easily send multiple questions to students for true or false, or multiple choice exercises. Teachers can instantly check student answers and monitor their performance in real time. With Snap-in Homework, students can use their devices to take photos of completed assignments or projects, or select image files to upload to the teacher. Once submitted, teachers can click to enlarge individual student images for detailed viewing. Teachers, try it out today and let ClassroomGo help make your classroom interactions more engaging and diverse.